Hello, my name's Andrew from My4 Automation. I'm just going to show you on the Unitronics inverter how to very simply set it up for remote access. So you can change the speed using an external link in this case, but it could be a push button from an external panel. So I'm going to start off by resetting the inverter to its factory defaults. So to do that I need to check parameter 18. So go into 0, enter, increment this to 18. Whoops. 18, enter, and set that to 1, and we're going to enter. That's now defaulted the inverter drive to factory default. So you can see that if I go here now, the default speed is 50 Hertz. Okay, so if I now want to have this external wire to start the inverter, nothing happens. So I need to set now parameter 01 to 1. Okay, so let's do that then. So now the inverter is going to start and it's going to go to 50 Hertz. Okay. Now the inverter won't stop because it's on external drive. So I need to remove that wire, which is like removing the button. And the inverter will stop. So the inverter's ramped down, the frequency is the preset is flashing at 50. Just go through a cool down mode and after a while the fan will switch off. So again, if we now start it again. This is the predefined ramp speed. It ramps up the speed. We can then decrease the speed. So we go to half speed, 25 Hertz. Take the wire off. The speed was at 25 Hertz and now ramping it up. The inverter stopped. We can now take the power off. Power off, fan stopped. Now if we switch the inverter on, we can see the preset is 25, and if we push this wire in here, the inverter is going to ramp up to the preset speed, 25 Hertz. Take the wire, the inverter then ramps down.